So in order to get the Chromebooks to be able to work with our new adapters, it seems to help to set the screen resolution to a lower resolution. So you can click on your profile down at the bottom right, find settings, and then we see display settings. And we see where it says resolution, and it has a drop-down menu for resolution. If you display your resolution at 1024 by 576, that's what seems to help. And go and click done. And that's all it really takes. And it seems to help out with cutting out quite a bit.